guys, it's Mr. Stav here, and if you don't know me, I teach grade 8 with the old students, and one day I hope to teach you. And so what I want to do is kind of teach you how to use a new website. Now, you've seen this website before. This is where you see all of our morning announcements. And the website is called flipgrid.com. So all you're going to do is go to flipgrid.com and you're going to see tons of things on the screen. And the only thing you care about is entering a flip code. Okay? So let me do some cool stuff with my mouse here so you can kind of see. There you go. Now, whatever your flip code is, you have to get that from your teacher. So sometimes they're weird and strange looking like this, like a capital J, lowercase h, a 3, a 2, a capital M, a lowercase n, capital N, okay? They have these weird codes. So all you have to do is type in exactly the code that your teacher says. If it's a capital, make it a capital. If it's a lowercase, make it a lowercase, okay? Now, I have an easier one for my students. So all they do is type in Stav Math. That's it. No .com, no nothing. Just that, Stav Math. Mr. Stav, and I'm teaching them math. So we're going to hit enter, and it's going to bring us to a login. Okay? Now, you're only allowed to log in if you're a DDSB student. So I'm going to go to login with Google. Okay? And I'm going to select my DDSB account. Okay, so at ddsbstudent.ca is yours, and here is the grid. Okay, so a couple of things to look at. Here is a drop. If there's other topics that your teacher might want you to answer, okay, then you could find them here. But this is what we want to answer. Here's the success criteria. Here's what my teacher wants me to do. Sometimes they might post a video or some instructions here that you can look at. Okay. And over here, you can watch all of your friends' responses. Now, let's say you want to record a response for your teacher. Okay, so this big green plus sign, can't miss it. There it is. It'll always be there. Okay, and so you'll notice I clicked on the plus sign, and here is me. Okay, now recording your video is as simple as using a phone. Okay, but actually it's even easier. When you hit this record sign, it's going to count you down 3, 2, 1, and you're going to say, hi, I love math, or whatever you want to say. Okay, while you're doing that, look at all these options here. Okay, you can scribble on the screen. Okay, you can do add emojis, okay, or stickers. Love it! You can make these stickers bigger, smaller. You can move them wherever you want. Okay, and let's say you forget. You can pause your recording. You can think about it, and you can come back, and then you can continue recording. That's something you can't do on a phone. Okay, so over here you can see how long I've been recording for. Okay, here I can get rid of all my doodles. They're gone. All right, so you can play around and find a bunch of different options. You can add text to the screen. All right, so you can, I like this one. This one's cool. This is so cool. All right, and you can move that anywhere that you want. And you're gonna say, hi, I love math. Now, I accidentally ended my video and I pressed to the next screen. While you're doing that, look at all these options. Here they give you a chance to re-watch your video. And they let you decide if you like it or you don't like it. You can delete parts of it. You can shorten parts of it. All right, I can crop out. That's what it's called. Okay, but really, all you need to do is just hit confirm. And if you don't like it, guess what? You hit the X, and it's gone. But I'm going to confirm, and I'm going to go to the next screen. I want to say, okay. Remember, I paused it, so I actually have 2 clips in there. So this is the second clip. And I can add more to it, or I can hand it in and press next. So I'm going to press next again. And it says selfie. Ooh. So here's a fun way where you get to take a picture of yourself. Okay. Or maybe you don't want a picture of yourself. So you can hold up something to the screen and take a selfie. And you can put stickers all over it. So let's do that. There's a There's a selfie. Let's put some emojis on it. I like mermaid, so let's put the mermaid on there. And we could add more stuff to it, but I figure you'll figure that out. So I'm going to hit next to hand it in. So we are on our last step. So my name is Mr. Staff. What's the title of this? Just trying it out. Okay? And if you have any other stuff you want to put in for your teacher to read, you can type that there. And just like that, I'm done. I'm going to hit submit video. And it says, congrats, Mr. Staff, because that's what I told him my name is. And complete. And you'll notice my video is now in with all my other classmates. And that's it. Now, if you have a device, okay, a phone, an iPad, an Android tablet, it'll work too. You can download the app or you can use it on your browser just as we did on there. Okay, if you download the app, when you open the app, you just enter a flip code, type it in, and it's very, very, very easy. All right, good luck, and I hope you have some fun with it. Bye, everyone. See you in grade 8.